Good morning and welcome to VLOGCEMBER, day 10. Okay, so we just took a quick shower and today I'm going to show you what I got from Thrive Market. Did you hear my jaw crack? I'm going to show you what I got from Thrive Market because I got some groceries, some snacks, basically just snacks and some like holiday treats. So I'll show you guys that. And we got a huge package yesterday from L'Occitane. And I think I'm actually gonna do my bar cart over full of like L'Occitane skincare. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Although right now I'm using the L'Oreal Serum Duo. I love this. My skin's looking good. I think I wanna get more lip injections though. Is that crazy of me? I feel like my lips look full when I like overline it, but other than that, they're not like the fullest. You having a pouch? What kind?
Purple.
No, that's pink and it's strawberry. Strawberry. So I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and I'm gonna actually drink. I've had this lingering headache because I ran out of coffee. And so I don't have any good coffee right now. I have to get some, but I'm gonna drink this peppermint mocha cold brew and hope that my headache goes away. And I'm just gonna do light makeup. I'm also wearing the same contacts as yesterday. I'm a mess, okay? We're trying to get it together, but I'm a mess. I scrubbed the kitchen yesterday. That's why I didn't vlog. I was like, I need total concentration just to deep clean this kitchen. And I washed the kitchen rug. I am going to scrub the dining room chairs. How come I cannot open this? I'm actually putting this Giorgio Armani. This is an eye tint, but I just put it on my cheeks a little, and then all I'm gonna do is the Giorgio Armani. This is a skin tint, so it's gonna be very, very light makeup today, and then I might just brush through my brows, and then I'll put a lip on, because it just seems like I don't have a lip color. Bring it to mama. Seems like my lips are like not full.
Yeah.
Thank you, my girl. What do you want to watch?
Pepper that.
You love your baby Finn. Are you sure you don't want to watch something else though? Switch it up.
What's Pepper Dad?
Okay. I could probably just rub this in with my fingers, but actually, you know what? Today's really just gonna be a clean day. So I don't need much. 2026, I would love to get more Botox because that shit wore off. That wore off, and I would love to get more lip injections. You know, I'm just a girl and I would like to stay looking somewhat young. I don't know. I'm just gonna do this and then I'm gonna do a brown liner. Oh my god, my mom got a creepy Santa for us. I'll show you guys. I love antiques. I love the antique store. But she got this creepy Santa, and I do like the style of like the clothes that he's wearing. But I'm like, is this thing haunted? I've been watching a lot of like things that pop up on Instagram of like haunted dolls. And I'm like, oh no, honey. This guy might be haunted. But I don't know what to do with him without being mean. You know what I mean? I don't want to be mean. I don't want to be like, no, I don't like him. Send him back because he's creepy as hell. He's like wicked creepy. But I don't know what to do. So. Yes, girl. The lips are done. We'll just blend in this concealer and call it a day. We'll keep it really... Freya! This is the makeup for today, and that's as easy as it is. I will be... I'll be tanning in a couple of days, so we'll be looking a lot better. But for now, I don't need a lot today. Let me add blush. I take it back. I love a good blush. I'm gonna add this blush because I do love blush. I've been using this since last year. Oh my god, Scott woke up coughing. I'm like, listen, we got a party in 3 days. We need to drink our tea, have our honey, have our supplements, get it together.
Hey, Papa.
And that's it. And I'm alive. Okay, so here is the Santa. Hello. Please don't be haunted. I don't know what to do with him, okay? He's sitting there for now. My mom said, let's put him under the Christmas tree. I'm like, I don't want to scare the kids, but there's the Santa. Now moving on to my Thrive box before this girl flips out that I don't have baby Finn on for her. Come see what I have. Come look. So these were 2 freebies. I got dark chocolate truffles. Ooh, that was a freebie. If you guys sign up using my link, you get like extra percentage off, and it's I don't know, it's supposed to be a really good deal, like extra for the month of December. Ooh, dark chocolate banana truffles. We always like our snacks. It literally comes in a day. Like, they come so quick. This, I was like, oh, for me, cocoa truffles, peppermint crunch. I was like, that sounds like really yummy for me, and I regret not getting the peppermint little patties from Trader Joe's. Ooh, these are bars.
What's that?
You love it? Apple pie kids bars. Love it?
Mine.
You want to try it after?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have these.
Yeah, mine.
Yep, made good organic chocolate chip little balls. I also got these elastics for me because I always run out of my elastics. Girl, tell me that was you and not the Santa moving. Did you touch that Santa?
No.
Yeah, you better have. I heard a little jingle. These hair ties, they're supposed to work really well, and there goes. But I just... Oh, you touched it. Okay, don't freak me out here. I also got 2 of the Super Max. We had one last night. You gotta stop doing that, girlfriend. All right, put that in the pile. And then the last thing, we always get this oil, cooking oil.
Santa.
You touched the Santa?
Yes.
We always get this. It literally lasts for like 2 months. Oh, I forgot I got that.
That's mine.
That's Mama's. This extra virgin olive oil. Put this on your list. Let me tell you, it lasts so long. And then the last thing I got are these little Smart Sweets. Merry Mix, 3 grams of sugar. For at night when I want like a little... What just happened? I'm moving him outside. He's going out. So last night I got this big package from VLOGCEMBER. They did this last year where they sent a bunch of gift sets around Christmas time. And I love VLOGCEMBER. I love the Immortal Divine collection. As you guys know, I talk about it all the time. I really feel like that's why my skin is in really good condition. Knock on wood. But they sent over gift sets, and I feel like I'm going to keep this one, and then I'm going to give the rest away for Christmas gifts. Let me show you this one. Let me see if I can open it. This Immortal Divine Cream, if you're looking for a good anti-aging, firming, lifting, tightening, moisturizing cream that smells like luxurious, this is it. This is it right here. They also have the oil. This is a lotion, and then... I don't know what that is. I think just mini sizes of these. But this is such a good set, and this is just amazing. I love this. I use it every single night on my face and neck, and I can't get enough. So this is the one that I'm going to keep for myself because, I mean, Merry Christmas to me, right? And then these other ones I will be giving away. I think I'm going to give them to my aunts. So this one is the Almond Body Care Collection. I will open this one and show you. And then this is the manicure set. So hands, you know, the body lotion. This is a little mini guy, which is super cute. This just has 3 like travel sizes. So I'll be giving that one away as well. So this is all body stuff. Almond scented. It smells really good. The shower oil I've used many times. I think I gave this away last year to one of my aunts. Hopefully they like it because they're getting it again. But this is such a good set, and this moisturizer is really nice for your body too, milk concentrate. And then this other one is just all about hands, so hand cream. This is like a cuticle oil, a little file in here, and then a hand scrub. So I thought those were really, really nice. This was so nice of L'Occitane. They're a very, very generous company, and I always appreciate them. So I think my aunts will really love their gifts, and I will be keeping this one, and hopefully it will last me like a few months into the new year. I don't know if I showed you that I ended up getting this from Target. I don't know if I showed opening it up, but I also got this for one of my aunts as well. I thought that was a really cute set. I feel like Christmas is literally in 2 weeks, and I'm like, I don't have enough for anyone, but I always feel this way. I'm going to take some of my L'Occitane products, and I'm going to put them on my bar cart and see what that looks like, and organize it a little bit. Elfie's on the shoo-shoo train today. Did that. I'm trying to clean like every space. I cleaned the kitchen yesterday. It looks pretty good. Besides that trash right there. It looks pretty good. But now I'm going to use this Resolve, and I'm going to clean our dining room chairs, and I'm going to hope that it doesn't stain the shit out of them, and I'm going to hope that it actually cleans them. My mom just dropped this off, so she dropped off this and the creepy Santa, which I'm like appreciative, you know? Like, it was really nice. It was. I just don't know. I just don't know about it. But look at this chair. Gross. Let's try and fix this. I like these pants. I mean, I don't know why they're so wide. Okay, I'm gonna spray this. Ah! Why is it coming out like that? Is that how it's supposed to come out? Oh no. Yikes, I should have done this outside. Why did it come out like that? It's all on the floor too. We're gonna see how, please don't. I hope this doesn't make it worse. I like can't even tell if this is gonna work because it might dry with those stains. So I don't know. This one I haven't done yet. It's like so gross. I don't know if it's working. I feel like I have to get that Bissell, the little green machine. But even then, I don't know if that'll work. I don't know. I'm trying my best here. But I don't think it's working. Okay, I have washed all 6 chairs, and let me tell you, I don't think they look any better. I don't know. I mean, this is the best looking one. They're all still wet, but like it almost, when I spray them, it almost looks like darker dirt. I don't know. But this is the after. I'm not like too impressed by it. I don't know if they look any better at all, I guess from a distance. But I don't know. I think I'm just stuck with chairs that don't look clean. I also wanted to say that if you order anything from Amazon right now and you say, hey Alexa, thank my driver, they will tip $5 to your driver at no cost to you. And I found that out a couple weeks ago. So if you're doing any Amazon last minute shopping, just say that and they will get an extra $5 at no cost. So I thought that was really cool. But we're gonna go upstairs now and do my bar cart. I got this book the other day, The Coworker. I haven't read it. I gotta start it. Are you going to sleep in my bed?
Yes.
I washed my bedding, by the way, because I had my makeup on it. Or self-tanner, I don't know what it was, but it's nice and clean now. Isn't that the coziest? I swear, this thing is like a dream. I never want to get out of bed. But I somehow get out of bed at like 6 o'clock every day. Okay, we're gonna do this bar cart, and I'm gonna make it filled with L'Occitane and Lalicious, my 2 favorites. So let's do it. I love my fake peonies from Amazon, so I'm just gonna put those there. I always keep those on top, and then my little candles, which I also got from Amazon. So these go on the top. I just wiped everything down. Are you okay?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So I'm just gonna put these here. And then I'm gonna do my most used up top. So I feel like that's always what I do. I am gonna put Shiseido because I do use this eye cream every night. the Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. I'll keep that up there. And what I also use every night is from VLOGMAS, this Pro Collagen Toning Mist. I have to get another one of these once I'm out. Girl, can you stop? Because I love this. Definitely love that one. And then every night, like I said, I use my L'Occitane Immortal Cream. So I'm going to put that right there. Those are my top 3 as of lately. I'm going to put this little guy right next to my face cream. And then since I got a restock of the Immortal Cream, I'm just going to stick it. Are you okay?
Yes.
What the heck? I'm going to stick it behind here as like my backup. Girl, get it under control. What's your deal?
No.
Okay, this is the after. I like to do this every couple of months just to like refresh it. But it always reminds me of a spa, and that's exactly what I want in like a bedtime routine and skincare routine. So I have all my must-haves that I use every day. Then I have some extra goodies, and I have my Lawlicious, which I use on my body like every single night and morning. This body melt, oh my God, it smells so good.
Mommy.
Where's Freya? I can't find her. Maybe she's behind this door. Oh man, thought she was there. Maybe in the closet. Nope. Where is Freya? In the crib. No. Maybe over here. I found you. Again? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end my vlog here because it's turning really dark and I just wanna have a cozy, lazy day with the kids and just feel better. I still have this headache. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you all in my next one.